Hello everyone and welcome to my professional portfolio presentation. My name is Yun Chen and I'm currently pursuing my degree in business administration with an emphasis on finance. When people look at my background, they often notice an interesting combination. I hold a degree in computer science and library art, and now I'm deeply in corporation finance and management studies. To me, these fields aren't separate, they're deeply interconnected. I view financial markets through the highly analytical and technical lens. For me, financial isn't just about the static number on the braces, and the coding isn't just about the syntax. It's about solving a real world puzzle and building a clean, practical tool need to be driven a strategic decision. This portfolio is a live synthesis of my channel. It captured my academic role over the semester and my technical milestone and the core value that shape how I work in the team and how I plan to be grow as a professional. Reflecting on this past semester, my primary goal was to bridge the gap between the heavily financial theory and the data-driven execution. My management and financial coursework, I have focused intensively on sapping my skill in quantitative risk analysis, of financial modeling, and collaborative leadership. This portfolio isn't just about collection of the class assignment. It represents a dynamic turning point in my career. I have structured this site to serve as a long-term professional asset where I can showcase the live data application, track my professional development, and hold myself accountable to standard where I have set for myself. Should role require looking back honestly at where you start, analyze where your performance data, and mapping out where you want to go next. Everything I build is driven by clear mission and vision. My personal mission is to bring absolutely technical precision and general curiosity to the financial world. I am committed to continue learning, applying technological precision to financial model, and ensure that the data solution I deliver to my team are accurate, ethical, and highly impactful. Looking forward, my long term vision is to establish myself as a leading quantity financial analyst. I want to design an institute, high performance dashboard, and data pipeline that simple complex market behavior that can help the corporation team effectively management asset risk and enable leaders to make confident data backup investment choice. That mission and vision act as my compass, guiding both my technical project and my daily work ethic. To turn this vision into the reality, I don't rely on the wishful thinking. I rely on structured data and the SMART goal. I view the role across three balanced pillars: professional, personal, and physical. Professionally, my long term is transition seamlessly into the quantitative finance. So to achieve this, I am actively design and coding a Leaf interactive financial dashboard using Python and Trimlit to check risk-adjusted assets portfolio. My target is to have fully test integrated with SQL data pipeline and hosted Leaf on my portfolio within the next 8 months. Personally, I am applying my management study to structure the operational and financial framework for my boutique brand, the Q Box. I am currently setting up the supply chain logistic, budget model, and multiple tier service menu for our floral and event planner. I'm target a clean operational setting up by the end of this month. Finally, I believe that peak mental performance requires a physical discipline. Physical, I establish the sustainable health standard, checking a consistent routine of 3 dedicated training and physical well-being sessions per week to maintain a long-term requirement to tackle heavy analytical work. When analyzed the feedback from my project team, I was incredibly moved to hear them talk about my role in confidence. They note that when we first started working together, I was a bit quieter and feel nervous during the presentation. But to delegate behind the scene, I pushed myself to drop the script and speak naturally, eventually improving and connect with the audience in the real time. On the professional side, my coworker and Big highlight my attention to detail, my creative, and my ability to think outside the box when the problem occurs. They describe me as a dependent, positive anchor for the team who can handle things professionally and make the workplace better. This feedback showed me that my technical perception and the human positive attitude are the most powerful combination. As I conclude this presentation, I want to emphasize that this portfolio is a living document. The skill I have refined this semester, from building advanced financial model to embrace peer feedback and setting great performance measures, as exactly tool I will use as a step forward into the financial service industry. I want to thank my professor, my mentor, my classmate, and my coworker for providing an insight and support that helped me to polish my work and grow as a professional this semester. I invite you to explore the rest of my website, download my resume, or connect with me direct on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for your time. I'm looking forward for the next chapter of this journal. Thank you.